2010-2017 Audi Cabriolet und 8F Top Frame Repair Kit Alternative Repair for Part Number 8F0-898-255-A. I saw that this strap was broken that lifts the roof bow. The bow and rear glass are heavy. One strap is not strong enough. I first taped the broken strap into position. This was to try to find the inner anchor point where the pot metal strap loop end had broken. The driver's side bow lift strap was not broken, so I could see how the strap was attached. There is a shoulder bolt at the front, and a rivet at the bow. The broken part of the bow strap loop was still on the inner shoulder bolt on the roof frame. With that part, I could see how to make my own loop end, and save hundreds of dollars not buying the replacement part. First, remove the broken strap to be repaired. Drill out the rivet at the rear anchor point. Mark locations with green tape to make the installation easier. Then remove the front bolt. With the strap off, I could figure out how to repair the strap. I did not like the original part, nor its materials. I decided to see what I had in my recyclable steel parts bin. I found this steel binder that compressed a gas pressurized shock absorber that would work. I cut the slotted end off first, which I used to make a new loop fitting for the old strap. I then drilled at the spot to fit the shoulder bolt. Once drilled, I cut the fitting off at the black marks and rounded the edges. This became the base of my new strap loop end. I trimmed down the first piece I cut off into a U. I bent the fingers of the in a vise so they would hold but not pinch the strap cable. I trimmed off the broken pot metal from the old strap end, so the cable would end up the same length. Here is the completed fitting. The Audi part cost is ridiculous. You could make a strap with soldered lugs on copper wire. The green tape helped me find where the shoulder bolt goes in the convertible roof frame. Due to roof frame clearances, you will have to use another rivet on the bow end of the bow lift strap. Here is the repaired bow lift strap installed. Another solution would be to solder copper washers on to stranded copper wire. Stranded wire retains flexibility. The repair was completed March 23, 2023. The repair has been through many cycles over the past 16 months without issues. You've been listening to Tats, Schmerz, played by the Royal Klobasniks. I am the tuba player.